In this video, we'll be making this effective card design using HTML and CSS. As you can see, when I hover on a card, these cards, the color of the card also changes, and other cards are also facing toward this fifth card. And when I hover, for example, on the third card, the other card are facing toward, looking at the third card, and also the color of the cards changes. This is so easy. Get ready for it. So let's dive into the code. Hello friends, this is Code Capricorn. Now I'm coding fastly and efficiently. As you can see, I have created an HTML file and CSS file. This is also empty or to empty. Now I will use the empty abbreviation. I will name it our design. I will link the CSS. Now the first thing is I will create a div, and the class name will be container. Inside this, I will use the VS Code functionality and make 5 other divs. In the first, I'll also give the class card. In first, I will use the h2. I can also do like this. Now the first will be first one, and I will do tab, go to next, second, tab, third, tab 4, and tab 5th. That's all CSS. Now I will start my live server. As you can see, go to my CSS and style for this HTML. The first thing is universal selector. It will be margin 0, padding 0, the box sizing will be box 0. The next is I will use universal selector focus, and the outline will be 0 here. Now selecting the HTML, inside this and the WebKit tab, this is WebKit tab, and the highlight color RGBA, which will be 0, 0, 0. It's also 0. Now the body, selecting the body, align item center, and also the display will be flex, and the background image will be linear gradient, and inside this I will use first 0 degree the direction, and the next is color. This will be 0%. Next is same again. This will be 50%, and next color is this, and this will also be 50%. This is also, I have used double comma, so remaining one, this will be 100%. Now the font family will be sans serif, and the min height will be 100 px, and also the justify content will be set. Go to my browser. As you can see, this all appear in the center. Now the next is I will style the container, display flex, and the flex wrap will be wrap, and the next is justify content center, and the max width will be 1000 pixel. Position, relative, transform style will be preserve 3D. That's all. Now inside this I will first show you the preview. You can see this all appears in one line, and inside the container I will style for card. And the first is align item will be center and also the display with flags, and the background color will be white, and border radius 4 pixel, box shadow will be 0515 pixel, and RGBA and this will be 0.1 cursor pointer, and the height will be 40 pixel, just 5 point in center, margin will be 2 rem from top bottom and from left right 10 pixel, and overflow will be hidden. The position will be relative, transform style will be preserve 3D, and transition will be background color, 0.5 second, and ease, and the next transition for color 0.5 second, and this will be also ease. Next is transform 0.5 second, and this will be also ease. For width, sorry, not width, and this is all. Now the next is width 180 pixel. I'm going to my browser again, this way. You can see the boxes has been arranged, but adding more style, this will be beautiful. Now the next is someone hours on the container and style a card, and also this will be the container is someone focus on it, card, and container active, selecting this, and the card styling for this. So now the transform will be perspective 500 pixel, and also the rotate Y, where I have to give an angle, rotate Y will be 30 degrees. I will do my browser again. As you can see, it happens. But the next I will do one thing is inside the container, as someone hovers on the code, not actually container, and this are also container, and someone called focus, and the next is inside container called active. Now this will be transformed, and perspective 500 pixel, and the rotate will be rotate Y. Give an angle here, minus 30 degrees. And now going to my browser again. Something happens. As you can see, there is a little bit. Here you can see the code is rotating. Here you can see the 3D rotation appears, but the next is when I add colors, it will be most visible. Now next I will do and the container and the H2. Background color will be this, and the border radius 50%, color white, font size will be 3M, and height will be 80 pixels. The next is the line height. Line height will be also 80 pixels, and the text align will be center, and transition will be for box shadow 0.5 second is, and the width will be 80 pixels. Now the next I will style container and the card hover and summon hover on it, the H2 container, set the card focus H2, and also container 2, and H2 will be the color background styling here, background color white, and the shadow will be 150 pixel, the color will be this, and also for this the color will be also this. Now going to my browser again, as you can see when I hover it, so you can see the other code also flips, and when I hover on the second, the first code you can see turn to, or I mean the face of the first code turn to the second code, and I hover on the third code, the face of first and second code turn to the third code. This is how you can build this. I hope you will have enjoyed this. As you can see, when I hover on the first code and the second code, third, this is like 3D structure can made it. So I hope this video will help you enjoying this, and you can add I think you can customize this styling, adding more styling. You can do whatever you want. I hope you will have enjoyed this video, and if you like the video, press the like button and also press the subscribe button for getting more videos like this. Thanks for watching the video.